Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about the latest and one of the best earbuds I have ever tried so far from Huawei, which is Huawei FreeClip. So let's get started. So first of all, if we'll be talking about the design, Huawei FreeClips, it comes with very good design, very lightweight and amazing and comfortable earbuds. So if we'll be talking about the case weight, it weighs only 45 grams with the earbuds, and each buds here it weighs only 5.6 grams, so it's very lightweight. If you will keep it in your ears for a long time, you will feel no issues. And the good thing also, the open listening design. This FreeClip, as we can see, it doesn't go inside your ear canal, so it will not irritate you even if you wait for a long time. If you will wait for workout, you will have no issue. But let's go more detail in the specs. Huawei FreeClip support SPC, AAC, L2HC and LC3 Bluetooth codec. So the sound quality in this earbuds will be an amazing sound quality, and also that has here dual magnetic dynamic driver, so you will really enjoy the sound coming out from this FreeClip. And also the design here, it comes with a private design which it will reduce the sound leakage. So if you will keep this FreeClip in your ears and you play music even with the sound with high volume, still there is no sound leakage. So if someone next to you, he will never listen what's coming out from this FreeClip. Even if it's open listening design, the sound will not go around. And the battery life for this FreeClip, it lasts up to 36 hours with the case. So the case will last up to 36 hours and each buds will last up to 8 hours. And about the charging time, for the earbuds it will take 40 minutes for full charge, and for the charging case it will take up to 60 minutes. This is wired charging, which is Type C, and also it supports wireless charging, which is 150 minutes. And it's IP54 splash and dust resistant. Plus also this FreeClip, you can connect it to two devices same time. Also the Huawei FreeClips, it comes here with two or dual mic, and this dual microphone will make sure that to pick up your voice. And also it has something called VPU, voice pickup. It means that with some AI, the microphone here will pick up only your voice and it will cancel the noise around you. And the good thing about this FreeClip also, it can connect two devices same time. So let's say that you are connecting this FreeClip to two devices and you are listening to the music on one phone and you got a call on the other one. So the FreeClip automatically will switch to the other phone which you have the call. And once you finish your call, the FreeClip will switch again back to the phone which you are listening to the music. So it gives priority to the phone calls. That's amazing features. Also it will help you if you have more than device. Plus also you can control your media. If you are playing any music, you can just by double tap play or pause the audio, and also by double tap you can answer or end the call. If you triple tap this bridge here or C bridge, you can play next track or go previous to the previous track. And by using this app called AI Life, from this AI Life you can fully control your FreeClip. You can even check the battery life, and also you can check which device you have connected to this FreeClip. You can also change the sound effect, and you can also check the gestures, like in which action what will happen, like if you double tap what will happen, if triple tap what will happen. So this app also will receive the update, so you can update your FreeClip through this app. It will help you a lot to know more about your FreeClip. So after I used this FreeClip for a long time, guys, I highly recommend you to try it. It's an amazing device for the people who like to have more open listening devices. Like for sure there is no noise cancellation in this free clip. The point of this design to make you aware about what's happening around you. So if you are driving or cycling and you are wearing this free clip, still you can listen everything around you, plus you can listen very clear what's coming out from this free clip. So the sound is very rich, the bass, the treble, it's an amazing sound quality, plus also the mic here awesome. So you can have phone calls, even a noisy area, you will have an amazing AI call noise cancellation. So the device, the free clip guys, is an amazing and outstanding device. I have tried for myself and it's really nice. I like it. Even the battery life is amazing. You can charge it wireless. So Huawei FreeClip, it comes in two different colors, the black or dark gray and also the purple color. So these two colors are available. You can choose between which one you prefer and which one you like. So guys, if you just find the video interested, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.